Hi, this is Rusty from Innovative Home Technologies. Today, I'll show you how to use the bidet functions on the LuxeLift Bidet Power Toilet Lift. You have two ways to control the bidet. First, you can use the control knob located on the right side of the unit. With the knob, you can activate the basic functions, including front wash, rear wash, and the drying function. Second, you can use the remote control that comes with the LuxeLift. The remote gives you access to advanced features, allowing you to adjust water temperature, spray strength, and other settings for a more customized experience. The LuxeLift Bidet Lift is a smart bidet. As you'll notice, there is a sensor sticker. This is where the present sensor is located. To operate the bidet, this area must be in contact with bare skin. The sensor detects user presence for safety and activation. To know when the system is activated, simply place your hand or your body over the sensor. You'll hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, the bidet is ready to use. Let's start with the front wash, also known as the female wash, using the control knob on the LuxeLift Bidet Toilet Lift. First, make sure the present sensor is covered. You'll hear a beep. This confirms the system is activated and ready to use. Now, turn the knob forward once. At first, the nozzle will perform a self-cleaning cycle. After that, the nozzle will extend. You may notice it moving slightly up and down. This is designed to ensure thorough and effective cleaning. When you're finished washing, turn the knob forward one more time to start the drying cycle. The small opening you see is the air outlet. You'll feel warm air blowing, and if you're using the remote control, you can adjust both the air temperature and airflow strength. To stop any function, simply press the knob. You can press it at any time to stop the wash or drying cycle. For the rear wash, also known as the male wash, follow the same steps but turn the knob toward the rear instead. Now let's try using the bidet remote. First, make sure the bidet is powered on by pressing the power button on the remote. When the bidet is on, the side control knob will light up purple. Next, place your hand over the present sensor or sit on the bidet. You'll hear a beep, confirming the system is activated. Let's start with the rear wash. Press the rear wash button on the remote once. The nozzle will begin with a self-cleaning cycle and then the wash cycle will start. You'll notice the knob light changes from purple to blue, indicating the wash is active. During the wash, you can press the front and back buttons on the remote to adjust the nozzle position. When you're finished washing, press the stop button. The nozzle will automatically perform a self-cleaning cycle. You can also control the water pressure by pressing the strong or weak buttons to increase or decrease the water spray strength. Now, let's try the front wash. Press the front wash button on the remote. Just like before, you can adjust the water pressure using the strong and weak buttons, and move the nozzle forward or backward using the front and back buttons. When you're done washing, press the stop button. To start the drying function, press the dryer button. You'll notice the knob light changes from purple to red, indicating the dry cycle is active. You can adjust the airflow speed and change the air temperature by pressing the wind temp button. The indicator lights show the temperature level. One light indicates low temperature, 2 lights indicate mild, 3 lights indicate medium. All lights on indicate the highest temperature setting. When you're finished drying, simply press the stop button. Now, let's review the other features available on the remote control. First, you can adjust the water temperature by pressing the water temp button. The indicator lights show the temperature level: low, mild, medium, and high. Simply press the button to cycle through the settings. The more bars you see, the warmer the water. Next is the night light button. When pressed, the built-in LED night light turns on. I'll turn the room lights off so you can see it more clearly. You can leave this on overnight to use as a night light or guide light for safer nighttime use. Let's move on to the remaining buttons. The nozzle clean button allows you to manually clean the nozzle. Keep in mind that the nozzle is automatically cleaned before and after every wash cycle. However, if you want to perform additional cleaning, you can activate this mode. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the nozzle will extend, allowing you to gently clean it with a soft brush if needed. Next is the seat temperature button. You can leave the heated seat on overnight. The side control knob will remain lit purple while the bidet is powered on. Press the seat temp button to adjust the seat temperature. On the indicator, no lights means the seat heater is off. The more lights you see, the warmer the seat. Each press cycles through the temperature levels from low to high, and pressing it again turns the heater off. Finally, there is the deodorize function. This feature helps neutralize odors and is optional. It's available if needed, but most users find it's rarely required. Thank you for watching.